Welcome back to another video. As you see, it is nighttime. But as you see, like, you could actually see anything. But anyways, that's besides the point. So I did want to make a quick little video about basically what's going on. So these are the wheels. If y'all didn't get that in the last video, I didn't show it that long because I don't want to, like, you know, show the complete thing till it's completely done. So yeah, yeah, these are the new wheels. Pretty good sized lips. But yeah, the whole problem with the wheels was when I first put them on, they would fit good, but they're not like flush look. They're not like really good. So whenever you want the good flush look, where, you know, rim defender and stuff like that, you kind of gotta like adjust your suspension. So I'm on bag, so, you know, I can slam it on whatever. You know, I just don't want to ruin my quarter panels. So we ordered Megan Racing camber kit. Here's the part numbers if you want to get it. If I can get, yeah. This is for any Q50, I think 2014 and up. But yeah, so you got to get toe arms and you got to get camber arms when you do basically a camber kit. So if you want to do one, you got to get both. You can get the other arms. I think they're like trailing arms or something. But yeah, let me just put my light out so you can see. But I don't know if y'all want an installation video because it kind of was a bitch. But new arms are in. They're pretty blue. But yeah, new arms are in. Basically all the tools you need is probably like a 19, 17, 21, and that's pretty much it. But as you see, you know, we installed the camber kit on this side and the toe arms. So all that's left is to really just do the other side. I'll bring y'all with me on this journey because the other side was a bitch. I'm not gonna lie, it was a bitch. But, you know, these are just basically the tools you need. You don't really need too much. Put this wheel back on and get started on the other side already. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the rear toe arm. That is the camber arm. And then that one, the smaller one, that one's called a trailing arm or whatever. So what they recommend is for you to change the toe arm and then camber arm last. I'm not really sure about that, but I don't know what difference it makes, because if you remove both of them, you know, maybe it still be the same, or you could just, you know, either way you got to get alignment. So all right, so I did get that bolt out. Next bolt over there, that one. All right, so you guys, I'm kind of a cheater, or I don't even think it's considered to be a cheater, but I don't like to work too hard, because what's the point? And there you go, she coming out. All right, so there we go. They got it out. No damage. Make sure you keep that because you're gonna need that. That's what helps align your toe. And toe is basically what keeps you going straight. If you have too much negative, yeah, no good. Yep, that's how the bolt looks. It's kind of funky, but yeah, this is an alignment bolt, so don't lose this and don't put a regular bolt back in there, because if you do, or if you do damage this bolt, just make sure you get a original one, because it has a special groove in there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a special groove in there. It kind of looks funky, but yeah. Out with the old. All right, so new one is in. We just got that nut back in. I almost said note. My stupid ass. Yeah, just put that back in. Like I said, make sure you keep that that washer. It's alignment washer. And then, you know, this one's regular, so just put these back in. Also, you can adjust this later. You don't have to worry about it right now, because you know, you're getting ready to do alignment anyway, so you might have to thug it to a dang alignment rack. But you know, as far as me, you know, I'm gonna just do what I gotta do, because shit happens. But yeah. All right, so I did get the old one basically out. Has this bolt on this side. Make sure, like I said, you keep the washers. Just work it out and it's out. Pretty easy. Both camber arms, well, yeah, both camber arms, both toe arms are installed. It wasn't that bad. I mean, if you have a basic tool set, you know, you gotta have deep sockets and short sockets. But other than that, I mean, anybody can install this yourself. I do recommend after this getting an alignment though. You know, I probably will, you know, tomorrow. But, you know, just so you don't kill yourself and, you know, install that wrong. Just make sure you do like measure the stock one, put it to what it was. That way it's, you know, the same. And then, you know, adjust your camber, adjust your toe as you go. But yeah, I do recommend going ahead and get the trailer arms, you know. But, you know, it is what it is. If you don't got it, you don't got it. I don't got it, so it just shows you that you can do camber with just the toe arms and the camber arms. Okay, so I've basically been out here all night messing with this fitment, and I finally got it. That is the fitment we was going for. These bitches are fucking crazy wide. That fitment in the rear. I had to fix that offset. I mean that toe. But I mean, shit, that's pretty good fitment. That's a lot of fucking camber. Yo, that's crazy. That's a lot of fucking camber. But yeah, this is the fitment that we wanted. Shit, I don't even know what to say. That shit looks damn good. Good morning. I mean, wake the fuck up. Nah, I just swear. Welcome back to another video. Oh shit. Wake up, it's too early. But so last night, let me turn my music off right quick. Make sure I ain't got a booger in my nose. Alright, we good. So last night we did the camber arms. Sheesh. But there's the old ones. That's what we did. So I still gotta adjust this side a little bit. It's got a bunch of camber already, but you know, it doesn't have that kind of camber. But yeah, this is the kind of camber we was looking for. Not sure if y'all want to see how to adjust it or not, or just want to see the finished product, but it's pretty self-explanatory. But sheesh, I only got one wheel on right now because I'm test fitting. I even wanted to make sure these wheels would even fit, because I ain't gonna lie, I was a little nervous. But then again, you know, for some reason, like, I always just pick the best fitment, and that's fucking fire. That's fire. Like, it doesn't get much better than that. But yeah, I will give y'all an update on everything else though. Like with the wheels all fully on, I do need to go with different tire setup. Just for the simple fact that, you know, I gotta go with stretch, and these are Michelins, and they don't really like the stretch. But look at that camber. Sheesh. Yeah, let me give y'all boys a little cold start. I gotta go to work, yeah. The YouTube money ain't took off yet. Damn, we ain't got no gas. Camber kit was successful. Not too bad to install. I definitely need to get a front camber kit. That way, like, it'll look like badass. But I think the front has enough stock camber to look decent. So that's probably what we'll do. Is just leave it how it is. But it wouldn't hurt to do it. What was the last words I told y'all? I told y'all I got y'all. And I know in the last video, y'all motherfuckers probably was hurt. I showed the wheels for like 3 seconds at the end of the video. But it's all good though, because like, I'd rather y'all wait till I get a good fitment. Because that wasn't good fitment. I wasn't satisfied. That's the only reason I ain't show y'all like a lot. But shout out to the ones that stick to the channel though. Because it's only gonna get better. I keep trying to tell y'all, it's only gonna get better. Sheesh. Good fitment. Good fitment. We do need some tires, because these are just too thick, but that's nothing. But yeah, I was just waiting to get a little bit better fitment. So that camber kit's on. I can adjust it a little bit more if I need more camber, or just get a new upper control arm. I think upper control arms give you like another, what, like -3. That'll already be fucking sideways. So, but yeah, I told y'all this is gonna look good. But yeah, I got one question for y'all. Should I change the color of the car or nah? Because I love the Nardo, but man, I've been wanting to change the color so bad lately. Let me just show y'all the camber in the rear though, because sheesh, that's crazy. But yeah, shout out to the real ones though. Shout out to the real ones. The ones that's been waiting to see how this car comes out. Because every car I get, I always try on the wheels for the Q50, and they always look good. I never had to work hard for it. Like, just throw them on. I could sit the rim to the fender in the rear. But boy, I had to work for these. I know I could do it though. I always get the best fitment. I know one of the homies be like, bro, you always fucking got the best fitment in the rear, or just fitment period. Because sheesh, look, I'm freaking fanboying my own car right now. But yeah, wheels for that car soon. I'm pretty sure this car is just basically like a fun car, drift car slash, you know, whatever, because it really does everything. You know, flames, drift, like shit, just really anything. The only thing it doesn't do is doesn't go fast, you know. So we're not gonna make that car fast, especially right now. I'm trying to make these bitches look good though. But yeah, anybody want these wheels on the BMW, let me know. I'll get rid of them today. shoot me an offer. Worst thing I could say is no, because probably the next video y'all see, the wheels will be off of that and new wheels will be on, or just they'll be back on the stocks, because every BMW look like that. So definitely I ain't, you know what I'm saying? And if I get more than 10 comments of 10 different people, I will fix this car today, or whenever the video uploads. I'll fix this car and I'll drive it. But yeah, anybody, 10 people comment fix the Honda, I will fix it. 10, that's all it takes. Pretty good camber. I know a lot of people hate camber, but you know, fuck you, because it ain't your car. It ain't your car. Pretty much all my car has camber, just pretty much by lowering it. Like that one on the left side has crazy camber. Yeah, looks really good. Yeah, like I told y'all, shit, told y'all it's gonna look good. Sheesh. And we're pretty much at 0 right now, so pretty much sitting on the fender front. We could put a spacer on and make it look like that, but I like this look. This looks good. I like the tuck look. That way the bumper sits lower, you know, because if I had to make it hit the lip of that, it wouldn't be as low, just like the rear end isn't as low. But yeah, definitely, it looks good. Yeah, sheesh. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video on this note. Thank all y'all for watching, and just staying caught up with me and being patient. Thank y'all for being patient. I know some of the people rush the fuck out of me saying like, oh, post a video, bro. Like, I'll be trying. But it's been raining and I just don't be having motivation sometimes to do this. So, you know, I'm not gonna pay nobody to do something I can do. Well, unless I, you know, once I make it, you know what I'm saying? Once I make it, yeah. Once that YouTube money hit, I might start paying people to paint my cars and lower my car. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we out.